In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up, create Unbounce account. By the end, you'll have your free trial activated and be ready to explore Unbounce's landing page builder without getting stuck on any setup screens. First, open your preferred web browser and head to unbounce.com. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari helps everything load smoothly. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner for the Start My Free Trial button and click it. This takes you into the sign-up flow where you can choose a plan to try. Unbounce typically offers a 14-day free trial across its plans, so pick the one that matches your needs today. Don't stress too much about the choice. Plans can usually be changed later, and the trial is designed to let you test core features before committing. Next, you'll fill in your account details. Enter your name, your email address, and create a secure password. A strong password uses a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols and isn't reused from other sites. Depending on your region and the plan you select, you might be asked for billing information at this stage. That's normal for many trials. Just remember, you typically won't be charged until the trial period ends. It's a good idea to set a quick reminder a day or two before the trial expires so you can decide whether to continue or cancel. If you prefer a quicker setup, you can sign up with Google Single Sign-On, which lets you use your Google account to create and access your Unbounce account without managing another password. After submitting your details, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Unbounce. If you don't see it within a minute or two, look in your spam or promotions folder just in case. Open the message and click the confirmation link. This verifies your email and officially starts your free trial. With your email confirmed, go to the Unbounce login page. Sign in using the email and password you just created, or choose the Google option if you used Single Sign-On. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can begin exploring templates and getting a feel for the editor. If you're brand new, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Hover over menus, read tooltips, and note where key settings live. That small investment of time makes building your first landing page much easier. And that's it. You've visited the site, started your free trial, confirmed your email, and logged in. You're all set to start testing Unbounce and see if it fits your goals.